So guys, we had a hike this morning. It was lovely. It was nice. It was refreshing. So for today's dinner at Point Radix, where we camping here. This is our campsite for the next couple of days. We are going to have steak on the fire. As you know, I love my vegetables, so we're going to do sauteed veg tonight with some boiled corn.
Caribbean steak spice. See how that tastes on our beautiful. Added our salt to it, a little bit of pepper.
That's not good.
Look at that boy cutting my salad up over there. My afternoon snack. I can't even get this open.
Let me do it.
Yep, that'll be nice. There. Nice.
What?
Needs a therapist. Spicy, eh?
Yeah.
Got a little spice to it. Look
Feel
at
the
it.
sneeze.
Look at it now. Look at it. Oh God, that's beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna fire roast our steaks. I've never done this before, but I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be difficult. Oh. Oh, sorry, buddy.
It's okay.
There. That's one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't be falling now. Okay, let's do one at a time because it looks like this might fall. Let's go put this on the fire then. Right now for the second one.
I feel like this one's gonna be a boss.
Why?
Don't know.
Come on, boy, we don't bust things.
Okay. I'll hope.
Look at them good seasonings though. Oh God.
If it's black, I don't think they'll see
It's
it.
gonna be very good. We're just gonna let that slowly cook over the fire for the next hour or so.
B-roll action.
So guys, I finished cutting the vegetables. So here you can see there's mushrooms, red peppers, green peppers, sweet peppers. We have zucchini, we have cabbage, we have carrots, we have all delicious stuff for my sauteed veg. And on this piece here, the kids then decided they wanted baked beans, onion, chili pepper, sweet pepper, red and green, cabbage. This is for the baked beans. And doing all this with this beautiful view. Look at that ocean. So wonderful. So guys, I'm gonna see you guys by the fire. Finish up this. That's good.
So let's go take a look at the steaks cooking. So they're now just been put on by the open fire. So we'll taste them later on. It'll take probably a good hour to get them done. Looking already, they look good. It's gracious. Can't wait.
Guys, the vegetable here is finished. Smells and tastes delicious. Just add some salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, and complete seasoning. This is done here. This here also is finished. The same seasoning stuff in it. Doesn't this look good? Oh my God, it looks so better. We have steak finished there. We have corn there. All the things we're doing.
He's tasting steak, boy. Come on over here and take a bite. Come, Malachi, come taste it. Dylan, come taste it.
I changed my mind. I don't want that piece. I want this piece. I like this spice there.
Guys, this steak, nice, perfect temperature for us. So, how taste it?
Really good. Has that nice smoky. It's tender. Has a nice crust. Salty. That Caribbean spice is good. It's really good.
So Darius, mommy gourmet food here. What do you rate it out of 10? I can see you're chewing down on that bone very hard. On that bone, I mean, on that piece of whatever you just threw there. So what will you rate it out of? Tell me quick, please. You have 5 seconds to answer. 10 out of 10. And why would you give it a 10 out of 10? Wow, Russian, yeah? Yes. I've given you 5 seconds to answer that. Because? It's hot. The hot. It tastes good. Tastes good. Enough spice. They have enough spice. I don't know. So right, so you give it a 10 out of 10. So, see me? And that? How do you like it? Taste it, chew it down, lick it up, do whatever you want with it. Just tell me how it is. I think it tastes 9 out of 10. Why? Why is it a 9 out of 10? I give it a 10. You couldn't give it a 10? The reason why I give it a 9 because it has mushrooms. And everyone knows I get mushrooms. Not everybody. Like what's this wobbly cock face? Scoosh. Not mean. So that's why I give it a 9 out of 10. That was Alakai. And this is me, Darius. And we rated our best. So hope you guys enjoy our rating competition. It's good, mommy.
Well, for me, it looks fantastic. I want to try the steak. How do the steak taste?
I know the big beans are phenomenal. Mixed with that vegetable.
This is steak.
Not the mushroom.
Steak is so marvelous. Flavored perfectly. My God, I rate myself 100.
Okay.
This steak over the fire, I think it actually tastes better than grilled steak. What do you think?
Please, I have to admit.
If
A little red wine and fancy.
If I didn't tell me it was steak, I would have never guessed it was steak.
And these vegetables, oh my God, so awesome. Guys, you should be here to try this and have this wonderful view in the background. This is to die for. So guys, we're gonna sit here. We're gonna finish up our lovely dinner. Yes, we're having dinner very early today. But we're gonna finish up our dinner. And we're gonna see you guys on the next one. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification button.
Don't forget to comment.
And don't forget to leave your comment. And guys, we will see you on the next one. Out.
Bye.